Hello and welcome to Online Storytime. My name is Miss Amanda and I work at the Lincoln County Public Library. I'm so excited to read some books with you guys today. Our books today are going to be all about bubbles, which is why I have bubbles behind me. So if you haven't already, make sure that you pick up your Online Storytime Kit for April because we are going to have lots of bubble fun. All right, we are going to clap and say hello. Are you ready? We clap and say hello, we clap and say hello. With our friends at story time, we clap and say hello. Hello, hello. All right, I am ready to read our book of the month. So we have got to say goodbye to our bubbles and we will see them after we're done reading stories. All right, all right. Bye, bubbles. We'll see you in a little bit. Good job. All right. So now that we have said goodbye to our bubbles, we can read a story together. And the first book that we are going to read is our book of the month. If you haven't already picked up an online storytime kit from the library, make sure that you pick up your April online storytime kit because it has lots of fun activities for us to do together. All right, so our book of the month, we have a new month, so we have a new book of the month, and our book of the month this month is called Animal Bath Time. And the author of this book is Penny Rose. So we are going to sing our author song for Penny Rose. Are you ready? The author writes the words, the author writes the words. Hi ho, did you know the author writes the words? Good job. All right, we are going to read Animal Bath Time. Bath time, animals, now the day is done. Time to soak and wash and play. It's such splashy fun. So they are going to take a bath. They've had a big, busy day, and now it's time to take a bath. Bath time, monkey. Turn the spout real slow. Pour in bubble bath. Watch it fizz and grow. So what did Monkey put into his bath? He put bubbles in his bath. That is super fun. Bath time, hippo, soaking in the tub. Eyes peeking through the foam. Give that face a scrub. Oh, he's peeking through the bubbles. And now he's going to wash his face. Bath time, owl. Wash your feather coat. Lather up from head to toe. Rinse off as you float. Oh, look, the owl's floating in the bath. And she's washing off all the bubbles. Bath time, puppy. Here's your chance to play. Rubber ducky races boat. Who will win today? The puppy is playing with his rubber ducky and his boat in the bathtub. Bath time, alligator. Brush your shiny teeth. Up and down, side and side, above and underneath. It's important when you brush your teeth to brush all the teeth. And the alligator has lots of teeth. Bath time, kitten. A cozy towel is snug. Wrap it warmly round and round. Give yourself a hug. They're going to wrap the towels around themselves and make themselves so warm. Bath time, mouse. Those PJs look so sweet. With a striped and fluffy robe, a look that can't be beat. So they're getting ready for bed. They're putting on their pajamas. Let's see what else they have to do to get ready for bed. Bath time, panda. Make your fur look neat. Brush away those tangles. Go from head to feet. So the panda is going to brush his hair before he goes to bed. Bath time, animals, ready for bed. Snuggle down and share a book. Nighty-night, sleepy heads. Oh, so they're going to read a book. Who's reading the book? Yeah, Monkey is going to read them all a book, and then they're going to go to sleep. Yeah, they took a bath, and they brushed their teeth, and they put on their pajamas, and they brushed their hair, and now it's time for bed. Oh, thank you so much for reading that story with me. All right, we are going to sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, and we're going to learn how to say star in American Sign Language. We are going to take our pointer fingers and we're going to make them go up and down like this. And when we do that, that means star in sign language. So every time we say star in Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, we're going to do star in sign language. Are you ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Yay! Good job! And you can practice saying the word star in American Sign Language. Good job. All right, I have another book for us to read today, and it's one of Miss Amanda's favorite kind of books because it's a chickies book. And this is called Bath Time for Chickies. So all of our friends in the last book, it was time for their bath, and now it's time for our chickies bath too. Let's count how many chickies we have. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 chickies. And what is on this chickie's head? Oh, I think those are bubbles. I think that the chickies are ready for a bath. Let's find out. Oh no! Look at all this grime and grub. Dirty chickies need a scrub. Bath time for the... No thanks, pig. No bath today. We'd really rather stay and play. Uh-oh. Do they have to get in the bathtub? They do. Wash those tummies, wash those ears, wash your fronts and wash your rears. They've got to take a bath because they got so muddy. Are you all through now? What's that noise? We're not done. We need more toys. Do you think they need more toys? No, that's a lot of toys. Once they're clean and fluffy too, what will little chickies do? Let's see what they do. Now they're nice and clean. They were muddy, and now they're nice and clean. Let's see what they're going to do. Who be you? Oh, no. Something smelly. Oh, my gosh. Stinky chickies need a wash. Bath time for the... Oh, no bath today. No, thank you, cow. We're not that dirty anyhow. Wash your feathers, wash your wings, wash your feet and other things. Did they need a bath? They did because they were stinky. And the cow's going to give them some bubbles. Are you finished? Any troubles? We're not done. We need more bubbles. Once they're clean and smell sweet too, what will little chickies do? Let's see what they do. Woo-hoo! Cupcake frosting pink and green. Sticky chickies need a clean. Bath time for the... No thanks, sheep. No bath today. We just had one anyway. Wash your beaks, wash your faces, wash your backs and other places. Do they need a bath? They do. They are sticky. They played in their cupcakes and now they need a bath. Are you all squeaky clean, I hope? We're not done. We need more soap. Once they're clean and shiny too, what will little chickies do? Uh-oh. What did they do? Oh my goodness. They jumped in the mud. Are Are they gonna need another bath? Yes, they will. Oh, look what happened. Now the chickies are in the mud, and the cow and the sheep and the pig are in the mud too. Oh my goodness. Everybody is gonna need a bath now. So silly. Thank you guys so much for reading stories with me today. Now I'm going to show you our activity for the week. In your story time bag, you will find 2 pipe cleaners for today. And I'm not sure what colors you'll have. There's lots of different colors. And with your pipe cleaners, we are going to make our own bubble wands. So this is a really good activity for our fine motor skills. It's also a really good activity where we can talk about shapes. So Miss Amanda is going to make a circle, and you can make any kind of shapes that you want. So Miss Amanda wants to make a circle. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna make a circle, and then I want my other pipe cleaner, maybe I want this one to be a square. And the really cool thing about pipe cleaners is that once you make a shape, you can change it and you can turn it into different shapes. So I'm going to make this one. I think I want to make this one a square. There we go. All right. And then we are going to put some of our bubble solution that we have in our activity bag. We are going to pour some of this into a shallow dish and try to blow some bubbles. All right, and you want to make sure that you have a grown-up's help, because we're going to take our shallow dish, and any kind of shallow dish that you have will work, and we're going to pour some of our bubble solution into our shallow dish, and we're going to practice using our bubble wand that we just made. So I'm going to pour a little bit of this in, and like I said, make sure that you have a grown-up help you. And we're also going to use some bubbles next week. So make sure that you still have some bubbles, or you can always make some bubbles with some dish soap. So that's fun too. All right, so now that I have some bubble solution in here, I'm going to dip my bubble wand in. All right, and then I'm going to see if I can blow a bubble. Are you ready? Oh, let's try again. I think I blew on it too hard. Let's try again. Oh my goodness, look at all those bubbles. That was so fun. That bubble wants to stay on there. There we go. Oh my goodness, this is so much fun. So you can play with your bubble wands that you made, and you can see if you can blow big bubbles and little bubbles, and it'll be so much fun. All right. Thank you guys so much for joining me for Online Storytime today. I hope you had a great time, and we are going to wave and say goodbye. All right. I promised our bubbles would be back, and here they are. Are you guys ready to wave and say goodbye? We wave and say goodbye. We wave and say goodbye. With our friends at Storytime, we wave and say goodbye. Bye, everybody. I hope you have a great day.